Right, we are on our way into Chilli Beach campground and we've got 30 k's of pothole dirt road by the looks of it. Looking forward to getting off this road and hitting the sand, being on the beach. We're heading out of Chilli Beach. We stayed there for a night. We had campsite 1, 2 and 3 booked. We found the site a little bit humid, a little bit muggy. It was set back from the beach. There was a lot of vegetation, so we did have quite a bit of wind shelter, which was nice because it was 40k winds. Probably wouldn't go back there personally. The beach was nice, but yeah, we were just ready to move on to something different. So just to note, campsite 1, 2 and 3, they're all in the same vicinity, so if you don't know someone and it's booked, just be wary that you might be pretty much camping on top of it right next to somebody else and sharing communal access to the beach and fire pit and things like that. So yeah, keep an eye out if you are looking at booking Chilli Beach campsite 1, 2 or 3.